Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss new chapter called Data Control Language (DCL). And the first topic under it is Introduction to DCL. So DCL commands they are used to control the access and permissions of your database data. And why we do that? We do that to ensure the data security by managing your user access and actions on the database. Let's try to understand this statement by example. There are three roles in your company. First one is manager, second one is new employee, third one is senior employee. You want to give more privileges to your manager, such as select, update, and delete, because he's most experienced and responsible person. That's why you give him more privileges. And this role, the new employee, you will give him basic permissions because by accidentally he might delete or update the data. And then third role is more experience, so you want to give him select and update, but you don't want to give him delete. He might also accidentally delete some information, right? So this is how you control the access of your database. But we have to see what commands they are used to give these privileges and to remove these privileges. These commands are grant, where you can grant permissions like select, update, and delete, and revoke. Using revoke, you can remove the given privileges. Let's say I want to remove this permission, then I can use the revoke command to remove this permission.